What's up, guys? Oh, hold on. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video here with Matt. So today we got a lot planned. I'll put it that way. You know how that goes. But today we are working on the 64. So I've got a few things done. Started taking the engine apart. Just went at it. Didn't film anything, but I'm going to try to film a little bit today. I'll show you where we're at. So mostly everything that is attached or that would keep me from pulling it is either unhooked or removed. So the only thing I have left are the motor mount bolts down there and the torque converter bolts and flywheel, or not flywheel, the bell housing. I don't know why I can't speak, but bell housing bolts. Oh, and the starter's still in there. I do need to take the starter off. But so I have those few things left, and then I'm hoping to yank this thing out of here. So you can see we got a pan under there. I don't know what it is about antifreeze, but it always attracts the bugs and they always die in it. You'd think they would learn, but I guess if they're dead, they can't go back and tell their friends about it. Anyways, let's see what we can get done today. So we're gonna pull this thing out, and then and I gotta take the hood off too, because I don't think we can get that out with the hood off. And then we're gonna put this back in if we have time. So let's get to work. I will set it up and hopefully film some of this for you, and we can hopefully enjoy the process. Oh, and there's Cooper. Say hi, Cooper. All right, everybody, we got the 289 in the car. So now it's just time to start buttoning up everything, putting everything on. Got to put the starter on. I can't put the headers on because I'm waiting on header adapter plates to come in. But I'm going to put on all the little things that I can and then make a list of anything that I need or don't have, of course. So we're going to get going on that, but hopefully for now, the hard part is over with. All right, everybody. Looks like we're about as far as we can go. I need to get a few things. I need to get a thermostat housing, a water pump, header plates or the adapter plates so I can use the headers that we have for it, and fuel stuff like a couple fittings in the fuel log for the carburetor, because I'm not gonna take off the other ones that I had on the other engine because that engine's gonna go in another car. So waiting on all that stuff, but for the most part all the heavy lifting is done. We got a lot done this weekend. I'm going to probably end this video here, of course, because I got to order in all that stuff, so we'll just put that on as we go, and then of course when I get ready to fire it up I'll show you guys that. So we got the hood back on, marked that, so that went on relatively smoothly, and it's basically back together. So we'll work on that. The other engine's sitting over here, so it's sitting right here ready to go in the next car, which we will be doing that soon. Here's all the parts left over. Of course, got to wait on the water pump to put the fan motor back on. The fan, all that goes back on when we get that, and then the lower radiator hose and the upper radiator hose, and then this is our fuel line when we get the fuel log. So all that's pretty easily done once we have the parts. So I'm going to end this video right here. I will say be ready for the next video, because I'm going to be kind of telling you guys about that car right there. And I don't know if you can tell, just kind of a sneak peek. It's got a window sticker in it. It's very, very low mileage. Let's just put it that way. So we will have an in-depth overview or look around on that, and so yeah, stay tuned for that, and we'll be posting hopefully more videos a little bit here and there, and we'll see you on the next one.